Welcome students. In this video, let us look at the general equation of a straight line. So the general equation of a straight line looks like ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is a linear equation in x comma y represents a straight line in xy plane. For example, a line can be 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. In this equation, 2 is the coefficient of x, 3 is the coefficient of y, minus 7 is the constant term. So for different values of a, b, c, this equation represents the equation of a straight line. So we can also prove that this always happens. We can prove that this represents the equation of a straight line. So if you want to understand how I can say this, you can think of it like this. So I'll prove that if this straight line passes through 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, so if this equation is satisfied by 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, then we can prove that this equation satisfies every point which divides these 2 points in any ratio lambda is to 1. So as you can see, every point on this straight line divides AB in some ratio lambda is to 1, right? So if you want to prove that this equation represents a straight line, we can think of it like this. If this equation satisfies these 2 points, it also satisfies every other point on this line. So let us prove this. So this proof is not required for your exams. So if you are interested, you can see this. Otherwise, you can skip this derivation. So if P x1, A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 satisfies ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then I can write that ax1 plus by1 plus c is equal to 0, ax2 plus by2 plus c is equal to 0. Now, let us consider a point which divides AB in the ratio lambda is to 1. Let P be the point. So P can be written as lambda x2 plus x1 by lambda plus 1, comma lambda y2 plus y1 by lambda plus 1. Now let us see whether P satisfies this equation. So A times lambda x2 plus x1 by lambda plus 1 plus B times lambda y2 plus y1 by lambda plus 1 plus C. So let us see whether this will be equal to 0 or not. So this is equal to. So if you take the LCM, so you get C times lambda plus 1. So A times lambda x2 plus x1 plus B times lambda y2 plus y1 plus C times lambda plus 1. That is equal to lambda times ax2 plus by2 plus c. If you take lambda common, ax2, by2 and c plus ax1 plus by1 plus c. So from the initial hypothesis, these two are equal to 0. So lambda times 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So that means this equation, if it passes through x1, y1 and x2, y2, it will pass through every point which divides AB in the ratio lambda is to 1. So I can say that this equation represents a straight line. And we have also seen that in different forms of equations of straight lines, the final answers which you got for straight lines also look like this. Some number times x plus some number times y plus some number is equal to 0.